Hello. In this video, I'll show you how to install and set up 8K Player VIP using Downloader. If you face any login issues or need the playlist format, message me on WhatsApp. Open the Downloader app and tap the URL field. Type 439873, then press Go to download the file. When download completes, press Install. Wait until installation finishes, then open the 8K Player VIP app. Now select 8K VIP. Select Edit. Input the username and password provided to you. Then click on Update Playlist. Playlist is uploaded successfully. Press OK. Now again select 8K VIP and tap on Connect. After a successful login, the app will show its dashboard or menu. This video demonstrates only the setup steps, not content playback. If you need help with the playlist format or login details, message me on WhatsApp. Thank you.